Yo, how's it going, everyone? So, as you can see, I got home today and I was surprised with the package that I've been waiting for. So, let's take a look at what I got for the truck. Let's see what I ended up going with. So, let's see what I ended up getting for the truck. I guess one little hint is whatever I got is from Cali Raised. So we got some brackets here. Got a wiring harness. And I also got a switch. And I got some bolts. So let's take a look at what's inside this box. Are you ready? Because I'm excited. Let's see what it is. Oh yeah. So I got some ditch lights from Cali Raised. And these are pretty cool too. They have some LEDs on the side right here where my thumb is, and that will display towards the side of the truck, so it'll not only illuminate the front but also a little bit towards the side. These are pretty cool. And I can't wait to get these on now. And let's see what else I got. So I got a switch as well. This will mount up into an empty slot in the truck for the ditch lights that I bought. And then the wiring harness as well that comes with the lights, and then of course the brackets for the hood of the truck. Here they are. I guess P's for passenger and D's for driver. So yeah, that's what I was waiting for. This will help me see a little bit better at night. And I'm gonna go ahead and get them on soon, maybe today or tomorrow. I still need to do a little research on how to wire everything up and get it through the firewall of the truck. So you can see I already got the mounts mounted for the ditch lights, and you know, they mount to the bolting that bolts the hood to, I guess, the arms or whatever they're called. But anyways, I already got these bolted in, and you can see right here is where the mounts are bolted to the hood. So all I gotta do is get the wiring done, and I should be done. I already the wiring's gonna be going through this boot right here. You can see right there, that boot. This boot right here, that's where the wiring is going to be going through the firewall to get the end of the wiring into the cabin of the truck so I can mount the switch. Alright, so I got the lights mounted already. I think they look awesome. Can't wait to get them wired up and lit up, see how they look. Alright, so I got everything wired up. I got the lights mounted. Now the last thing I need to do is change out that switch that came with the lights to the OEM switch right here. So I'm going to be switching out to this switch, and I have to do a little bit of soldering. So this plugs into the OEM switch, and from what I've heard, or from what I've seen on the Cali Raised has a YouTube channel as well, and they did something very similar. The black goes to the black wire, the two reds go to the blue, and the green goes to the white of this end of the wiring harness. So I'm going to get rid of the switch right here, take that off, and replace it with this switch. And it's going to mount, I don't know if you can see, it's a little dark, it's going to mount right here. So I just need to pop this thing off and take this little spacer out and get that mounted. Alright, that's a little bit better. So I already got this popped off. It's already loose. It's really simple. I just stuck a knife right here, and there's a little, I don't know what you would call it, but a little clip. I guess you can see on this side what the clips look like. So I just kind of stuck my knife there to unclip it, a couple here, pop this side out, and it came out really easy. And then I took the spacer out, or just a little button that's just there to take up the spot there. I already put the switch in there. You can see it's there. So now I just need to do the soldering and hook up the wiring, and I'll be done with this job. Alright, so I've gotten the wiring that goes to the OEM switch soldered to the existing harness, and got it nice and shrink wrapped so it looks real good. And just gonna go plug this in back into the harness, go plug this into the OEM switch, and we're done. So alright, just wanted to show you a little bit of I guess how bright these lights are for the ditch light. So right now I just have the headlights on and the fog lights. Alright, so here's how dark it is. Not too dark, but you can still see a little bit. This is with the headlights on, and this is with the fog lights. And then I'll turn on the ditch lights right now. And that's with the ditch lights. So I guess it's kind of hard to tell here. I was out at the beach the other day and it really helped out, but right now it's just ditch lights. Here's the headlights, and then the fog lights, which the fog lights and headlights are completely stock. So just ditch lights off, ditch lights on. And I guess let me show you. So these ditch lights, they do have LEDs on the side, and they do help light up the side of the truck. So you can see here, this is just the headlights are on right now, and then I'll turn on the ditch lights, and that really helps out with the side view of the truck. That's off, and then the ditch lights on. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with them. I think they're really good. They're pretty bright. They do give a lot of light for what I'll be needing them for, when I go out to Big Bend. I probably will get a light bar. I don't need it now. It will be helpful, but as of right now, I think this will be sufficient enough for, what I'm going to be using them for. That's going to be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I really like these ditch lights, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, check y'all later.